It will be easily make. I guarantee it will be great taste. So I hope you try it with your family and friends. So you boil soybean for 20 minutes. Any bean is fine, lentil, soybean, anything's fine. And you marinate the chicken with the white wine, salt, pepper, and rosemary. And you cut the veggies. Cut the shallot and carrot. Used only 2/3 of carrot, I think is enough. The whole carrot is too much. And you pan grill the salami on olive oil. You grill the salami, all this juice comes out, and you drain the oil, the paper towel, and you grill the chicken on the same pan which you have this salami oil. Make sure you flip the chicken, it is easily stuck to the pan. And add all the chicken, shallot, carrot, add some water, add some tomato sauce. I use half of tomato sauce. And add the salami, which you grilled. Also the soybean. White wine, half cup or whole cup. Toss in 2 or 3 laurel leaf, 1 tablespoon of chicken stock, and it is done. You boil the pot for 20 minutes in mid-heat. Main dish is done. Let's get the appetizer. So you pan fry the baguette bread on olive oil. Flip it on both sides, and you spread I use only on one side, just tip of it. And crush the avocado if you can, but mine was too fresh. I cut the avocado and cut the mini tomato. I cut anchovy in 6 pieces. It's very salty, so keep that in mind. Don't use the whole anchovy, just cut it in 6 or 8 pieces. You boil the egg for 12 minutes. Use only the yolk part. Crush the yolk part and spread evenly on the bread. On top of bread, you have avocado, mini tomato, anchovy, boiled egg, a drop of olive oil and lemon juice, and cover it up with basil. It will make a great appetizer. So I made a strawberry salad, some romaine and veggies. I cut the strawberries in pieces, add some avocado. And for the sauces, in this video I use a pineapple sauce. I use the fruit cocktail, which is already sweet. If you have a fresh pineapple, add some honey or maple syrup. So you mix the pineapple with the onion, a quarter or less onion will be enough. Add some salt, olive oil, and lemon juice, and mix it well. And there you have the pineapple sauce. So bonus. So the dish will be good enough for I think 3 adults. But if you feel hungry, you can make a good pasta out of it after you eat all the chicken out of the stew. Boil the pasta noodle for 7 minutes. Don't waste the water. Mix the pasta noodle on a stew. Add 1 more scoop of tomato sauce and 1 scoop of noodle water. Mix it well, and you have a great pasta. Spread a little bit of Parmesan cheese and parsley, and you will have a great dish. Okay, see you next time.